Hello traders and welcome to our trade update video. It's still Naupan here, founder of Master of the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on the $0 trade that we caught live in front of all our attendees in the live trading webinar with Simon Campbell. You can see that we have locked in just under £2,000 on this $0 trade over here. That's just on one account. And look at the other one, what we have done over here as well. If you look at the whole euro-dollar position over here, you can see that we're just under £5,000 over here. We've got 6 positions altogether that were opened, and this was opened in our 2 rooms, in our live trading room and also our elite room as well. So really big day for us over here on the Vedanta trading floor and with our training branch, Master the Markets. Now you can see that the basic principle of all of this was basically capturing a turning point, and we stand testament for that. You can see that we have caught this turning point. We entered on this particular bar. We got all the recordings for it, for catching it live in front of everyone. And now you can see that once the arrow then comes in to confirm that bottom, then we then exit. This is all pure price, traders, all pure price, and caught in real time and no hindsight trading. And of course, in trading, of course, you will get losses, but just make sure that the wins override the losses. As you can see over here on our dollar yen position, however, we did lose a little bit of cash, but here it's going strong and it's outriding this loss over here. So it's very critical that you learn the principles for trading and for scaling your account and for having strategies that are sustainable, scalable, and reproducible. And all this are just done on pure price action, and nobody trades price just like how we do. So do check out all the videos that we have done on our blog videos, Traders Education Center, and everything else. And we look forward to seeing some of you over there in our Traders Basecamp package and coming onto our live workshop that's going to be in London. And also for those of you who want to take it the next step forward and become an elite client and trade like a master. And until the next time, as we always say, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.